Kobe Bryant's widow offered $60 million in damages over leaked photos. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
Welcome to Celebrity Scoop on Links 007 TV, bringing you the latest news, views, and trends on celebrities.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. Kobe Bryant's widow has been offered $60 million or 13.6 million pounds in damages over leaked graphic photos of the helicopter crash that claimed the life of the US basketball star and his daughter in 2020. Vanessa Bryant, who is age 40, said that she had a panic attack after learning of the images taken by the Los Angeles County Sheriff deputies and firefighters that had been shared online. Federal jury has now decided that the county must pay Ms. Bryant for emotional distress. Co-plaintiff Christopher Chester will be paid $15 million. Mrs. Bryant's husband Kobe Bryant, who was age 41, daughter Gianna Bryant, age 13, and six family friends passed away when their helicopter crashed in California in January 2020. Mr. Chester lost his wife Sarah and daughter Peyton in the crash. A report that the county employees took photos at the crash site and shared them with others enraged the victim's family. Last November, the county agreed to pay $2.5 million or 2.1 million pounds over the emotional distress caused by two families who lost relatives in the crash, but Bryants refused to settle. Jurors at the trial heard how sheriff deputies and firefighters took gruesome cell phone photos at the accident site and showed them to others, including at bar and at gala events. These employees poured salt in an open wound and rubbed it in. With their actions, Bryant lawyer Louise Lee said that during the opening statement last week. A lawyer for the county unsuccessfully argued that the site photograph is essential and that the photos had not been posted anywhere publicly. Kobe Bryant, a five-time NBA champion, played for the LA Lakers throughout his career and is considered one of the greatest players in the game history. Kobe Bryant's widow was offered $60 million as part of a $31 million jury verdict settlement against the Los Angeles County for deputies and firefighters sharing the grisly photos of the NBA star, his 13-year-old daughter, and other victims killed in the crash in 2020. The jury deliberated for 4.5 hours before reaching the verdict on Kobe Bryant's Day, which is celebrated in Los Angeles on the 24th because it represents his jersey number 8 and 24 and is the day after his birthday. He would have turned 44 on Tuesday. After the verdict, Vanessa Bryant posted a photo on Instagram of herself and her husband and daughter. All for you, the caption read. I love you, justice for Kobe and Gigi. So this is welcoming news to the family, and right now the family feel very elated based on this accomplishment and based on what transpired in the trial, as this has caused serious emotional trauma for the family and also the friends of the others who were killed in the crash as well. So this is welcoming news for them and also the general public as well, who was very disgruntled about those photos being shared online. However, as it relates to the cause of the crash, officials from the federal safety blame the pilot for error of the crash as well. So that is also another thing that has been looked into as well. So this is where we're gonna leave this though. Thanks for watching. This has been Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. Peace out and have a blessed and productive day.
Links TV. Entertainment with a difference. Subscribe now to Links TV.